How to use Discord on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Discord on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to use Discord on PS4, unfortunately the Discord app is not available on your PlayStation Store. So if you go inside your PlayStation Store and then you try to go here and then simply find the Discord app, it is not available. But one thing that we can do is we can actually open up our internet browser and we can simply go to discord.com instead. So we can go to discord.com and try to instead log into our account from there, because from the app it is actually simply not possible for us to go ahead and then find it. So you can open your browser and go to discord.com, and once you go to discord.com, there you will be able to go ahead and then log into your respective Discord account. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.